Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. After rallying for almost 7 8 days, today we are seeing some profit taking in Asian markets as well as GIFT Nifty is also trading at an unchanged levels. On Tuesday, after opening higher, we saw the market was hitting the levels of 24,750. But from there, all the way again, it came back to the levels of 24,670, 700 levels. And based on the technical formation, we are of the view that the market is going to consolidate further in the near term. I'm to say on intraday basis, we could see the levels of maybe 24,600 on the downside. There the market is having excellent support, and based on the overall performance of last few days, I am of the view that it is advisable to buy on dips rather than adding position at higher levels. The strategy should be to look for buying indices around or between 24,600 24,500 levels. Keep a stop loss at 24,400 for the same. The reason is because the market has successfully crossed the level of 24,500. So the eventual targets for the Nifty should be between 24,900 950. So that much rally we are expecting based on its current setup, and 24,400 should be the final stop loss for creating or holding any long position. So accordingly, like, we have to trade in this market. For the bank nifty, there also we saw uh, buying interest after very long time. I'm to say the bank nifty was consolidating between the range of 50,900 and 49,700 for last 10 days. So it was a challenging task for the bank nifty to cross the level of 50,900, which has actually bank nifty surpassed on Tuesday, but closing was little below the same. Broadly, we are of the view that the strategy should be to buy on dips, because eventually the bank nifty has absorbed selling pressure at 50,900 levels. 50,600, 50,500 should act as buying support on immediate basis, and in case if we see any drop close to those levels, then there look for taking contra bets of going long with a stop loss at 50,200 on the downside. So 50,200 should be the final stop loss for holding or creating any long positions on bank nifty. There also we are expecting bank nifty to move towards 51,500 or 51,850 in the near term. Metal stocks, they are shining, they are gaining on day to day basis. Again, the logic is that we are seeing some short covering as well as there is some buying interest uh, based on the specific news flow related to the interest rate cut from the US. So if there is any specific statement or uh, if there is any specific prediction on the aggressive rate cuts, then it will help metals to do well, and maybe that's the reason we are seeing some specific buying interest in metal companies. But we need to be more and more stock specific in this particular sector. For oil and gas stocks, they are doing well. Yesterday we saw some profit taking, but eventually we are seeing gains for the sector. There the overall trend and most of the stocks are trading above their important resistance levels, which is positive. So in that space, keep a close watch on stocks like BPCL, HPCL, ONGC, MGL, IGL. Based on their technical formation, they should do well. GAIL also should be in this list. Apart from that, IT stocks have managed to perform in last few trading sessions, and currently they are very close to their very crucial resistance levels. So again, the strategy should be to buy on dips, and stocks like Infosys as well as TCS Tech Mahindra should be on the watch list. Broadly, we are of the view that the market is like heading upward gradually, and the strategy should be to buy on dips. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's call. Thank you. Have a great day to all of you.